Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be uninstalling my taillight tint because obviously it's illegal in California and my taillight tint is pretty dark and I don't like driving around having to look over my shoulder wondering if I'm going to get pulled over or not. So today it's coming off. I will be installing a lighter tint at a later date. Alright, so from the videos I've watched on YouTube, all you need is a heat gun, some isopropyl alcohol for the adhesive, and of course your microfiber towels. So let's see if I can get this done.
I use the heat gun to help get a corner of my taillight tint off so I can get a good grip to start removing it. And once you start removing it, you're going to want to pull outward towards your body, not just straight back. This helps reduce the chance of getting adhesive stuck to your taillight and also reduces your chances of your taillight tint ripping during the uninstall. You're also not going to want to heat up your tint too much because that'll also cause it to rip apart.
Alright, honestly guys, that was hella easy. So if this helped you in any way, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll try to get that new tint on for you guys as soon as possible. As always, have a blessed day and take care. Thank you.